Hello, I am Santiago Montaño Lince and I will talk about how technology supports certain problems of society. Technology has had a very big advance in the last years. After Second War, the world has been involved in a lot of changes. Technology is among those changes, and in this process it has generated a lot of weights that have affected our planet. In long term, those weights are untenable, and technology will be supporting pollution. Pollution has increased in a big percent in the last years, even more than in all the time before the 70s, and we are part of this change. Obviously, this pollution also affects our health, and in the point of view of the systems engineering, we also can contribute to the solution. We shouldn't change our technology articles as fast as technology changes. We should keep them until, in fact, they don't work anymore. In this way, we can see the consumerism and the big damage that it makes to the planet. Software and hardware also contribute to this problem. Each change in these characteristics in a product makes that the people think that their things are obsolete, and those are only strategies to control people, because in some point people will buy the new product only because it's new and maybe because they feel happier doing this. As I said before, we should only buy the things that we really need and don't change them only because there is a new product in the market. Now we have the possibility to be connected all the time with internet. Internet is the biggest network in the world, but behind this there are a lot of hardware that is supporting that this can be possible. When we connect to a web page, there is one or more computers attending to this request. Those computers must be on all the time, and it represents a waste of energy. For that reason, it exists cloud computing. Companies can use the computers of other companies. Those companies use something called virtualization. It reduces in a high percent the energy expenditure. So we can see that there is a community interested in help. Some systems engineers are doing things to reduce the impact that technology caused. Systems engineering also can contribute to the automation of process. For this reason, people could lose their jobs, but people who is working in this automation generate new jobs. So it creates an equilibrium. This automation also supports pollution. Now people are not working in the process, but machines, and they consume a lot of resources. It exists an article that states that adult people are more prepared than young people. It could be other problem of technology because young people are wasting their time in unproductive things. Here the solution is simple. Young people must study more and spend less time in things like social networks. So it exists a lot of fields where systems engineer can be involved, but it depends on each person if they do the things in the best way. The industry needs all the things that I have mentioned, but while we are doing these things, we can think in the environment, and in this way, we should contribute to the solution. So, this was a little abstract of all the fields where systems engineering is involved. Thanks for watching.